Introducing the Kap-It riser, the easy and fast way to raise a pop-up spray head without all the digging. Over time, however, spray heads tend to sink. They get covered by grass growth, grass clippings, leaf debris, and soil movement. This results in your spray head being much less effective at watering your lawn. And there's always a chance that while digging you'll cut a pipe or wire, or worse, your internet cable or even a gas line. Here's where the Kap-It saves the day. The stem extender screws onto the sprinkler head stem, and the cap attaches to the top of the spray head. It eliminates the need to dig out the head, and it eliminates the need for a new riser. All the stuff under the ground stays underground, and the Kap-It installs in a tiny fraction of the time it normally takes to raise a head. With a little practice, you can install a Kap-It in less than a minute. Elevate, don't excavate. Each Kap-It raises the top of your spray head by 1.5 inches. The Kap-It is durable and made to last the lifetime of the sprinkler head that you attach it to, and it helps to protect your spray head's wiper seal. The Kap-It fits the most common sprinkler bodies out there, such as the Rainbird 1800 pop-ups and the Hunter Pro Sprays, and many others. Are you an irrigator or landscaper? Think of how much time you'll save and how many more jobs you can do in the same amount of time. Don't dig it, cap it, snap it, lift it, raise it, sprinkle it.
Making low voltage wiring simple and easy. Introducing the Kap-It wire connector. The Kap-It wire connector is designed to take the hassle out of splicing wires while creating a moisture-free connection that lasts. By eliminating the need for crimping tools, the Kap-It wire connector splices wires by simply stripping them 1 inch, inserting them into either side of the wire connector, and twisting the two housings together 1.5 times. This creates a connection between the wires and the centered conducting element. The Kap-It wire connector is designed for wet and damp locations, as the entire housing is filled with dielectric grease that protects the bare connection from moisture and dust. Very unique in design, the Kap-It wire connector can be used to install 2, 3, or 4 wires of various sizes ranging from 18 to 22 gauge and accepts both solid and stranded wire. A wire connector that is fast, safe, and long-lasting. Where can I use the Kap-It wire connector? Low voltage, 18 to 22 solid or stranded wire, sprinkler valves, low voltage lighting, trailers, brakes, boats, anything with low voltage, Kap-It wire connector will work. Check it out.